How to fix Heartopia not letting you log in. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you couples of steps for you to fix if you're encountering this error or glitch that you're not able to log in on Heartopia on your mobile device. So the very first glance that you log in or to pull up this application, you would see this if you haven't logged in yet. So to make sure that under notice, there is no ongoing maintenance that is currently happening on the game, because if there is, then you will not be able to do anything from the application. Next thing that you can do is there is actually a repair button at the upper right portion of your screen. We just want to have to access that and then hit on confirm so that it will automatically repair by itself. Now your last resort is to execute clear cache from the application itself. So all you need to do is to tap and hold on the Heartopia icon and go into the eye so that you will be redirected into app info. From here, scroll down and then under usage, go to storage and then choose on clear cache and clear data. And those are the things that you can do for you to fix Heartopia not letting you log in.